Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. If minute upon the beat and it can see upon the screen, big things are going on with the TikTokers, you know, my people. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. I have some sad news for you. As you know, every December, January, a Jamaican TikToker, you know, seems to bite the dust, if you know what I mean. You see what I say? And it seems to be over this ranking thing. You know what I mean? And now we see Akeem and Figure It Out involved in the same type of schemes people say. Them do to one now. People putting out the comment section where you think about Figure It Out and Akeem no checking in Jayden. This is what I say. And all of this have to do with #1 ranking thing, as you can see on the screen, the Fantastic Four. You know, it's doing their thing. You see my say, and it look like true Wasp and Jayden link up. It's kind of some problems. You already know Dyema, this Wasp and all of this stuff. You see my say. But let's hear the leaked voice note from Figure It Out and Akeem them with Jayden listening, and then I'll continue to give you my point of view.
Hi.
Can't never yet once call him man the batty man, brother.
Yes, I said lie, bro. My mom they tell me, bro, she on your life. You see me?
One time, me did see Jake span the FYP as I call him figure shit out. You see? So, I know me dog attack. I know me. Jake see dog attack. After me not trouble him and them. And if anybody me a trouble a Rose. You see it?
Yes,
I know me dog attack. Me not think of me dog a shot and talk shit. What you think?
They said this message is for Jayden from Figure It Out. One new one.
What you say?
Let me go for everything what me do.
I don't know, they said that one.
Yeah, you're gonna try to tell life by you. You got delete by me now. Me don't do nothing more than repost. Not a thing. You wouldn't say Wakos? Yeah, me just repost something.
Jayden, when I get number, because somebody in the comments say, him talk about the night when you take #1 from him. I don't know about that.
We not compete with no man. Some man not their own a league, brother. You understand? We not look no trouble with no man, bro. We don't avoid you, brother. How much time is the people that? How much time is the people like this? I'm see my. Yeah, me slowly I get to hate you all of them over here saying. Me said everything them watch them mix up. Me say they mix up enough for everything in one. Me slowly I get to hate you all of them over here. You never know so me can't repost again a backside. They wanna get up and I go on a self problem. I don't say me say, you know, a Rose and Dyema me stand for him. And they say I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing more than me just repost. You want to see for?
No, sir, I know me dog attack. I know me matter.
Not a thing me do.
A blood clot Jake see dog attack, you see?
I deal with man like I the security for
Take life serious sometime.
Huh?
If we take life serious sometime.
No, but the dog, not. I'm tell her. I know me matter. I can't me matter. I know me dog attack shit. I tell her.
Oh, him did their #1 the other day. Cold reason. Him did their #1 the other day. And you take him down?
Me not take him down. Me take #1.
Okay then. So obviously you take him down. So who go #1 the other day and end up taking him off of the podium?
I mean.
I know GX, it have to be you. Because the competition the other day, it was GX, Rosealee, and Short God. So you never in another one there. So who take him off? No more see Jay? Yeah, you in my talk, bro. You take him off. He must be a one and you take him down from the one and give him 2. So obviously you in my talk. I know GX. Read between the lines. Who take him off for #1 the other day? Who run him down from podium?
Yeah, so me just start me like me that say. When me just start me like me that say. Me did that say hold on. Then me did tell Figure It Out say figure #1. And that me say no. But the man them supposed to know say.
You don't see that joke it off.
Yeah, everybody knows say a joke me I make. But me did not go take it.
Yeah.
There's no bro. Nobody out there could top it. For me take it. Only somebody could have top it and a Short God, bro. You see it. But me did that joke, but me that go take it for true. Cause me like the competition, bro. I because the dog make a talk what day. And the dog did say, I was once a king. You see it. So that's why I see him up there, I say, all right. Yeah. I think, TikTok not that serious, bro.
What me not understand? Everybody else can run them joke and troll on TikTok, but when it come on to you, appear death threat and who a go kill it from who na go kill it and who a go get it from who na go get it and this like me not really understand the internet like everybody can run them joke and troll, but when it come on to you, it's like a peer threat. Me really not I try to understand it because it a confuse me.
Police, me do not sure. Me like
because him can troll and say you're once the king and you say to yourself say, well, me I once the king, well, me I go take it or whatever. It's joke. It's all fun and jokes. But when since TikTok become be a threat to send and man I go send go me really not understand what going over here. Me kinda lost to everything. Me lost.
Guys, no violence. I don't stop with them
I
things.
fear violence. Me not understand really a go on the internet.
Special what? Chat on no bother with the violence. We can't bother with the violence. This is only TikTok.
Because over here is all fun and jokes and game. Until you reach who are going to get it from everybody a beg. The whole of we a beggar. It's just who beg and put their money to you. Some don't know what TikTok too serious, bro.
Okay, people, this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking because Akeem and Figure It Out failed to be a man to them woman, they are using Jayden, because I'm thinking about weak fence, to show them masculinity, because they know them say Snow and Bear Man up in them rah, you know. You see me saying, they make two slim girl flip Rosealee and all these things. And we're not seeing no defending. And we never see Rosealee at the birthday party, so we don't know when the Fantastic Tree became 4. You see my people, and at the end of the day, no black people no own TikTok. One Chinese man buying dance, you see my say, and these series are nothing new. You see my say, it's not unique to Jamaicans, cause you know bare people that do series, you know, Europeans are type of people, you see me? So I don't know what kind of product they're putting out exclusively for talking this competition thing. You see my say, and this is why I say some of these TikTok is too enough with them one another and should have just been doing them thing from the get-go. But since them interacted with each other on, you know, a trolling type aspect, that's what's happening right now. But anyway, I'm just giving a quick update while I go on for that one. Let's proceed with the next season. Okay, people, the next trending story, me say out of Jamaica have to deal with Buju Banton again because it seemed like his son, I don't want to say it's disowning his father, but doesn't want to be associated with him in a sense when it comes to music because I'm not getting the help.
Yo. And I just want to make it clear and known. You see the Jazzeel where they used to get couple years ago upon the media go back and forth, you know, negatively and answer to and a word under the comment. Then I go get back the Jazzeel there, you know. Because let me tell you something. You see my father, Buju, Jazzeel. May I create a name for myself. May I appreciate the my name and everything, but me find myself already through Christ. God made me from me a youth and God made me there the same way. So, let me tell you this from now. If you not come in a negative comment, me not have time for arguing in the comment section because I'm blocking the thing there right now. So all the negative people them where comment, just know so me not have that time the phone again and the energy there again. Cause it does simple. All me can do a block and delete, you know. Zine, respect.
Yeah, put in the comment section if you think Buju Banton should do more for his sons in the music business. You see me, I say, you think Buju Banton is just embarrassed of some of him pitting them. You know what I mean? As you can see, this is the caption. He said, you know, let it be known full time. No, everybody stops associating, you know, him with him father and all of this stuff. Blah, 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 blah. You see me, I say, as you know, Buju don't really have too much for good relationship with his sons according to the other one. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, Buju's still out here doing good deeds for people he's not related to. So we don't really want to go down too much on him. No, that don't even sound good. Anyway, people, we're not gonna hear longer this no longer, you know. We have more itch to drop later. So do the right thing and like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.